Subtraction using numbers up to 10. Ducks are swimming in the pond. Count the ducks swimming in it. They are 4. 2 of them swim away. How many are left? 2 ducks are left in the pond. Subtraction means to take away. Symbol for subtractions. We use the symbol of subtraction to show take away. We also use the term minus for subtraction. We also call it minus sign. In the given picture, 4 have gone. Then how many are left? 1. We take away 4 from 5. The remaining is 1. Thus 5 minus 4 equals 1. We write it as 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. The answer we get after subtracting two numbers is called the difference of two numbers. Count the leftovers to find answers. Also fill the numbers in the boxes. 1 is done for you. Take away 5 from 8. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Subtraction on the number line. You can also subtract two numbers on the number line. To subtract 4 from 9, put your finger on 9. Then jump 4 spaces backward. You reach 5, which is your answer. Subtraction properties. Subtracting 1. When we subtract 1 from a given number, we get the number that comes before the given number. Examples: 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Subtracting 0. 0 means nothing. The number remains same when 0 is subtracted from it. For example, Manisha had 7 pairs. She gave none to her sister. How many pairs are left with Manisha? Manisha still has 7 pairs with her. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer would be the number itself. Subtracting a number from itself. What answer do we get when we subtract a number from itself? We get 0 as answer. Read this example to understand the concept more clearly. Ajay had 6 balloons. We gave all his 6 balloons to his friend. How many balloons are left with Ajay now? No balloon is left with Ajay as he has given all his balloons to his friend. Or we can say that Ajay has 0 balloons now. When we subtract a number from itself, we get 0 as the answer. Vertical subtraction. We can write subtraction sums like this too. This is same as 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Statement sums. There are 8 sparrows sitting on a tree. 4 of them fly away. How many are left? There are 4 sparrows left on the tree. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4.